You may have seen the American Wagyu ground beef in the stores. I'm Tess, and today I purchased some ground Wagyu at Sam's Club and thought I would make some burgers. Come along and join me. This is American Wagyu ground beef that I purchased at Sam's Club. They come in 1-pound packages with 3 of these in a strip. For 3 pounds of American Wagyu, it was around $15, so about $5 per pound. Not bad and worth a try. I'm making 2 nice-sized burgers with 1 pound and just simply seasoning with a little salt and black pepper. As soon as I took the meat out of the package, I could smell a more beefy aroma, and the feel of the meat is much fattier and greasier. I didn't handle the meat too much. I just quickly formed 2 patties and made a little indent in the middle of each so they don't bulge when cooking. Before I cook the Wagyu burgers, I'm getting everything ready. I made some yum-yum sauce for the burgers and fries. I made a video recipe and that will be uploading very soon. It really turned out good. Along with the Wagyu burgers, I'm making some French fries, and yes, I'm cheating and using frozen tonight. It's all good. We like our French fries nice and crispy. One last thing, and that is the bun. I'm using a brioche bun, brushing with a little butter and lightly toasting. I have my large cast iron pan on medium-high heat, and I just lightly brushed with a little oil. If you're unable to grill or don't have a Blackstone, using your cast iron pan is a nice backup. I'm placing in my Wagyu beef burgers and seasoning the other side with some salt and black pepper. Letting the burgers cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until that nice caramelized crust forms. I can smell the beef already, and it's smelling good. You can see the fat is rendering and making a lot of flavor. After a couple minutes, I'm flipping over the Wagyu burgers and cooking for another couple of minutes. I know some of you like to have a little pink in your burgers, but here at my house, we like any ground meat well done. Just my thought. When you have ground meat from an unknown source and from multiple animals, I like to make sure that that meat is cooked completely. These are large and thick half-pound burgers, so I'm turning down my heat to medium, covering and cooking for another minute. It's a must to have cheese. I'm using a slice of sharp cheddar cheese. Turning off my heat, covering for about 20 to 30 seconds, just enough to melt the cheese. The burgers are done, and let's make a plate. A little drizzle of the yum-yum sauce on the toasted bun. Lettuce. Tomato. And finally, the Wagyu burger. This turned out to be a great burger. The Wagyu beef has a nice, deep, rich flavor, almost gamey in a way, but a good way. The texture is tender with a nice, greasy juiciness. The caramelized crust also adds a ton of flavor. Even cooking the Wagyu burger well done, you can see there is some juicy goodness in there. I don't know how this American Wagyu beef burger compares to the Japanese Wagyu beef, but it was worth the try, and we really enjoyed. I can already think of a couple other recipes that I plan to make with the American Wagyu beef burger. If you happen to give the Wagyu beef a try, let me know what you made and how you liked it in the comment section below. Enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!